Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix the opening soon message on your Shopify store. This message usually appears when your store is still password protected or not yet launched. We will walk you through how to remove it and make your store accessible to customers. From your Shopify dashboard, we go to the Online Store section. To get there, just click on Online Store under the Sales Channel section on the left side of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on it. Under Online Store, we need to click on Preferences. Once you're here, if the password protection option is checked, we need to uncheck it so that anyone can visit your store. After unchecking it, just click Save, then visit your website. Now we can head over to your website. We can go to the home page by clicking the Home button, then copy the URL and paste it into a new tab. Go ahead and press Enter. As you can see, your store is now showing and it's ready to go. That's all there is to it. We've successfully fixed the Opening Soon issue on your Shopify store. Your store is now live and ready for customers to visit.